Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSA, uh, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yes, today we are looking at this question. It says that, what is frame of reference? Yeah, what is it? Frame of reference is the starting point of origin, and often given the value 0 and has some set of direction. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that state what is wrong with the statement below. And this is the statement. The statement reads that Nelspruit is at a distance, say, of 87 kilometers. Yeah. Yeah, what is wrong with such a statement? What is wrong is that this statement lacks frame of reference. Because when you say 87 kilometers, somebody would ask, from where? So, yes, it's missing frame of reference, or the starting point. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that what is meant by the position of an object? Yeah, what is it? Yeah, position of an object refers to the place occupied by an object. Yeah, then we come to this case. It says that consider the points A, B, and the C below. So these are the points. This is A, B, and C. And they say, considering B, which is this point, to be the frame of reference, and the right to be positive, they say, state the position of C. Okay. So in this aspect, we have taken B to be the frame of reference, to be our 0, the starting point. And what are we saying? We are looking for the position of C. So if this is our starting point, then from B to C is 8 centimeter. Actually, it's positive because we took to the right to be positive. Okay, then we come to A. What is the position of A? Okay, this is our starting point, and this happens to be the point we are looking for, the position. So what is the position of A? You have to remember that to the right is positive and to the left is negative. So the answer is going to be negative 6 centimeter. Okay, then we come to B. Yes, remember B is our starting point and is what we are looking for now. What is the answer? 0. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that if C is the frame of reference and to the right is positive, then the question says, state the position of A, B, and C. So in this case, we are taking C to be our frame of reference, our point 0. And we say to the right is positive and to the left is negative. So what is the position of of C. We have to remember that and what is the position of A? You have to remember that from C to A is to the left, so it's negative. So the answer is going to be -6 plus -8. Yes, that's the answer, giving us -14 centimeter. Okay, then we go to B. Yes, from C as our reference to B, what is the position? The position is -8 centimeter. You remember from C to B is to the left, which is negative. Then they want C. If C is our frame of reference, which is 0, then what is the position C? Our position C is 0, or 0 centimeters. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that considering A to be the frame of reference and the right to be positive, they say state the position of B, C, and A. So what are the position of these three? Okay, you have to remember we chose A, this point here, to be our frame of reference, and we say to the right is positive. So from A, what's the position of B? It is positive 6 centimeters. Okay. Yes, C. So remember, we are using A as our frame of reference. Yes. What is position of C? It's going to be positive 6 centimeter plus positive 8 centimeters. Okay, giving you what? Giving you positive 14 centimeters. Yeah, I need to remind you that to the right is positive. Then we come to A. Yes, this is our point of reference. What is its position? It is 0 centimeters. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. Yes, the channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yeah, we urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we believe we are simply the best. Yeah, see you next time. Bye-bye.